Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I'm going to be showing you how to build a calculator in Python. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get input from the user, store it in a variable, and use that variable later on in an operation to calculate what is needed. Now, what we want to do is assign this num1 equals, and now let's just say float. Float is a type of function that is used for the user to input any number, whether it's a decimal or not. So enter a number, and then again let's write operation. This will equal input, open bracket, and enter an operation. And now we're going to do num2, and this will be the same as this one. So we're just going to go ahead and copy him, and then let's just paste him over here and just change this to another. There. Now we're going to write piece of code for the operation, so this will work like a normal basic calculator. So we're going to use if statements. If you don't know what if statements are, I made a whole video about this in the description below. Please go check it out. If operation is equal to plus print, open bracket, num1 plus num2. And now again, we're going to use elif. This is used if you're going to use multiple if statements. Equals minus print, open bracket, num1 take away num2. Elif operation is equal to division, print, open bracket, num1 divided by num2, and then again elif operation is equal to times print num1 times num2. Now if the user doesn't input any of them, we can write else. So if the user doesn't write addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, print this is an invalid operation. Alright, this is our calculator set. Let's just double check, making sure everything is fine. Okay, now if there's an error, it would pop up and show us exactly where. Enter a number. So let's say 3 plus 4, 7. Right, let's see multiplication. 5 times 3, 15. Correct. All right, let's use decimals. Let's see if it would work. 3.1 plus 1.1, 1.1. There. So decimals work. Now, as you can see, it says else. This is an invalid operation. Let's see if it would really print that out if we don't write any of those symbols in. So let's say 5, 6. This is an invalid operation. So the program was able to identify where I went wrong and print out the message I said. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more tech videos, and comment down below what other video I should do. I'll catch you in the next one.